In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom domain from Base44, whether you're reorganizing your sites or simply need to remove a domain. This guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First, let's begin by navigating to your Base44 dashboard. You'll want to log in at the official website, which you can find at base44.com. After entering your credentials and accessing the dashboard, you'll need to select the specific app that currently has the custom domain you wish to delete. This step is essential because removing a domain is app-specific within Base44, so make sure you choose the correct app to avoid any mishaps. Once you're in the right app, it's time to access the domain settings. On the left side of your screen, you should see a menu. Depending on the version of your user interface, you may find the domain settings under Settings and then Domains, or it might be under Dashboard and then Domains. This section contains all your domain configurations related to the app you've chosen. Now, with the domain settings open, you should see a list of domains, including the custom domain you're aiming to remove, something like yourdomain.com labeled as connected. It's crucial to double check to ensure you've selected the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple domains within Base44. The next step is to remove or disconnect this domain. Look for options such as remove, disconnect, or delete domain. These options might be represented by a trash icon or an X button, depending on the interface you have. Selecting this removes the domain from the app in question. After hitting remove, Base44 will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is your safety net to ensure that the right domain is being deleted. Be sure to press confirm when asked, as this step finalizes the disconnection process. Once confirmed, your app will automatically revert to using the default link provided by Base44, severing ties with the custom domain you no longer need. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide on deleting a custom domain from your Base44 app. Following these steps should make the process seamless and eliminate any connected domains you deem unnecessary. If you have any concerns during the process, always feel free to consult Base44 support for assistance.